falling. Now you have to put your hand on her to get her warm.
Where'd you go, little baby?
You found her. She's on that corner where you were like setting. Oh, I got spasms in my leg. It was weird. It's crazy feeling.
All you see is you breathing.
Probably from the corner you're at. She's moving mainly like right there. Here, I'll hold it. God, this camera's heavy.
Right here's warm. Oh, that's where your hand was.
Martwood.
Move, little one.
Here, like, you set your hand.
Let me put my hand right there. Oh, that was weird.
See? She wants warm.
Little baby. But it's cold right there.
Yeah.
Oh, she's right there.
Jackie singing her new album will be out in the fall. You can see her Dream With Me tour now.
She's moving.
We've come to our first ever.
I know, like I could feel her a lot.
Each team will work together to earn one set of points from the judges, which will then be added to their individual scores from the first round. So each team is only as strong as its weakest link. The teams were chosen by the two couples who've received the highest total of judges' points so far.
There you go. I got it at the end.
Whoever wins the coin toss.
Is it still on record?